Hey guys, the Rage here. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Pixel 6 Pro. So I meant to get this phone since Christmas and it was sold out. So I finally got my hands on one. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. Here it is, very thin box. No much different than the iPhones. So without further ado, let's you know let's open it up. So I'm gonna avoid showing my SIM card information here. See for now how that works out. You take out the little tabs and take out the other side. I like how they make it so it's nice and easy to remove. Now we're gonna pull this part up. This is the moment of truth. And I have not seen this phone yet. So this is you know, very fresh. Let's see. So the phone comes in. I love this two-tone color. Looks really nice. Um, Comes in with some dust from factory. You'll probably never look this shiny again, especially after you put your fingers in it, unless you get a case and stuff. So nice protective thing there. These are the chargers. So I love how it has USB-C like the previous Pixels. So it comes with, let's see how long this is. I don't know if it's very, very long. Some people like really long cables. My son's one of them. He goes to bed talking to his girlfriend, so he needs really, really long cables. This is not that long. So you might want to get a longer cable if you're one of those people that likes really long cables. So put that in there. I like that it comes with this little adapter, so you can transfer information from your old phone to your new phone. I believe that's what that's for. So you can plug in the USB in here. This goes in the phone, and you can transfer your data that way. Uh, it comes with a little Google. Oh yeah, so this is the little key for the SIM card, and probably a little instruction booklet. It does not come with any headphones, apparently. So it has a built-in fingerprint. I'm seeing that in here now. I had no idea. I don't know if you guys can read that. It's very small. Built-in fingerprint. And it has, this is the, oh, okay. And then the SIM card little tool there. I think at this point we all have a bunch of them either lost or laying around somewhere. But that's it. That's all there is in this box. So I'll tuck the box away over there to the side. I really I love the feel of it. I like it. This is nice. There are no buttons in this side. Your SIM card tray is right here. But other than that, no buttons. The camera array, it's pretty nice. Different. Raised up. I don't know if I like that too much, but and that's the front of it. Look how shiny that is. Look at that. It is a beautiful phone, I must say. So I have the iPhone 13 now, and I am hoping that I'm gonna like this better. So I love my previous Pixel. Size-wise, they're pretty much. Actually, the Pixel is a little bit bigger. Yeah, just by a tad. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it stands up a little more. And this is with the case. So iPhone with the case, and here is the Pixel. I got rid of the screen protector thing. We don't need that no more. I like already collecting lint from my desk. Yeah, but it's just a tiny bit bigger. I mean, mine is in the case, but even in the case, you can see this a tiny bit. So let's get the iPhone out of here, because our star. Ow! See, I need a new phone. Our star is this guy over here. So look at that. And I like the size better than the iPhone. It's not as it just seems, I don't know. Let's see. Not as heavy and not as thick. It's a little thinner than the iPhone itself. So by like this much. So the iPhone is a little thicker than the. So if I put it to the edge, yeah. Well, my screen went out, so it's hard for you to tell, but there it is. So it's a little thinner than the iPhone. So without further ado, let's turn it on. I think that's the power button over here by itself. And you get that, typical Google widescreen. This is exciting. It's kind of nice to have an Pixel again. We'll see if I like better than the iPhone 13. I like how it's the edge over here. You can see it's still screen to the edge, where iPhone cannot get rid of the bezel somehow. Their bezel is still pretty much the same as yours. So welcome to your Pixel. So you have this thing bouncing around, which gives you a nice feedback, and very interesting. So without further ado, we're gonna choose our country, and it's the United States. Download the SIM instead. Add. Oh, so this has an option for you to use a digital SIM. That's interesting. Connect to your mobile if you have a SIM, start it now, or you can download it. So I do have a SIM from my provider, but I wonder what happens if I say download the SIM. Connect to your mobile network by downloading the info that's usually on a SIM card. This replaces a SIM card and it's just as safe. Fine. We like that. So now it wants me to put my Wi-Fi password, so I'm going to do that outside here so you guys cannot see that, because I don't like sharing my Wi-Fi password. You send me yours, I'll send you mine. Not really. So, okay, so I'm finishing entering that. I'm going to connect. So waiting for that screen to go away. There you go. So it says getting your phone ready. This might take a few minutes. I don't know if I'll be talking this whole time or not, or if I fast forward this part, but it is doing something. It doesn't really say what it's doing besides getting ready. And there's no options here. It's connected. This is a really nice phone. Oh, hang on. Why we're back in the screen, I do not know. Let's see. No setup for offline. Connect you to Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's go back. Yeah, I'm connected. So just gotta wait for the screen to go away. This is interesting. There is like an antenna here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like an antenna that gives you the impression there's a nick on the over here, just because the reflection is different. Other than that, you can see an antenna here, really all around. So now scan the QR code from my provider. Is there a QR code? Let's see. And no, there is no QR code. Actually, I think I have a QR code. Let's see if that's what they're talking about or not. Because if it is, right? So let's see. Scan the QR code. Where are you? QR code. There it is. So not a good experience with the camera so far. And the reason I say that is because it's not focusing on the QR code like I expected. And I don't know if that's normal or not. There it is. You have to, no, incorrect QR code. That's not the right QR code for the SIM card, I believe. But so far it did not copy and paste data. So do I want to copy and paste? Transfer apps, phones, contacts, Google accounts, etc. I don't think I need to, just because everything should be there already from my previous Pixel. I gotta see if the camera will focus on QR codes like other phones do, especially when you're close by. So I have to enter my email, my information here. So we'll do that in privacy. So we'll set this up. It's gonna take forever to set up though. If previous experiences are something to measure by, it's not very, very fast. So we'll try another way here. How are we gonna get a verification code? And we'll do it with this. There it goes. So it is for me to know, you to find out. Let's see. Is that accepted? It is. Yes, I'm in. I agree. And now it's just getting my account info and continue setup. And this is probably going to take a while right there. Oh, use location for Google services. Allow scanning. Yes, send statistics. I never do that. Install apps. All right. So back up your phone with Google One. Yes, turn on. And I accept. Enter my passcode. Nobody's watching, right? Enter again my passcode. Okay, make sure nobody's watching. So now fingerprint. All right. So let's see. So we're gonna create a fingerprint. Is he over here? No. Hang on. Where is the fingerprint? You're in control. Yes, I agree. See, this is how you set up a fingerprint. Okay, start. Let's do that. All right. Oh, actually lights up the screen. This is insane. You can actually see. That's really interesting. Check it out. Wow. That is cool tech. I gotta tell you. I had a Samsung that had a fingerprint, but it's not the same. You know, it didn't light up the screen like that. It's very transparent, where this is actually taking, looks like it's taking a photo through the screen, which is impressive. All right, so we gotta keep on doing this. And we have a fingerprint. We can add another, and I usually like to do two. But it's really amazing how you can see there's a light over there. I don't know if I can get closer. Yeah, it lights up. And I'm very impressed by that. Just because it's different. I don't know if it's better or worse. And but you know, it is different. Okay, so finishing up over here. Yes, different parts of the finger, which is what I'm doing. Okay, so now next. Fingerprint is added. Come on. Continue setup, yes. You can continue to fully set up your phone now or leave and get a reminder to finish later. What do you guys want to do? Continue setup now or we get it later? Let's see, leave and get a reminder just to save some time. So all these following apps are going to be installed. Great. Yep, they're all good. I don't think I would remove any of them. So it's nice that it gives you the option though, if in case you don't want one of them or not, you don't get any bloatware. Swipe to navigate your phone. Okay, learn gestures to go home. Swipe, go back and switch apps. Interesting. So switch apps, just do normal stuff. Okay, so try it. The bottom to go home. Yep. Okay. Skip. Skip navigation. Yes, we know this already. All set. System navigation. Swipe up to go home. So let's do that. And there it is. Now we're in our home screen. Wow. Interesting. Oh, I missed this Google News over here. Samsung has their own word stuff, and my previous phone before the iPhone was Samsung. But I so missed this this screen where you get all your news and stuff. The screen refresh rate. I don't know if it's enabled yet, like if it has 120 hertz or anything like that. But I have to dig around in settings. But so far so good. I like the performance. Seems really good. It opens things quickly, which is nice. So let's see how fast we can download the app over here. And come on. It's not still pending. So I don't think it even started downloading yet. Why is it pending? Good thing you asked, because I really don't know as well. But it is pending. So let's see. Where else can we go? Oh, they're saying that there's something here that we can do. Okay. Interesting. Browser. No help. Why we want to help, you know? No thanks. Not yet, anyways. So let's go to a news source, just any of them. There you go. And this is a 5K version. I mean 5G version. Um, I like it. So it's completely set up still. So still downloading updates and things like that. And it's pretty fast, even though still doing stuff in the background. And so far, there's no distinctions in which side you swipe. The settings are all here. Yep. And let's see, display. Let's see what kind of display settings that we have to. Smooth display. Look at that. Automatically. Oh, I like this. So it automatically raises the refresh rate from 60 to 120 hertz. On some contents increases battery usage. So it's supposed to do automatically as needed. So that's nice. I like the effect on the app drawer. Very good. So that is the Pixel. It does get a little warm though. Maybe it's because it's doing stuff in the background. But it's certainly, you know, feel it get a little warm. Even over here in the sides. I don't know how warm we'll get. I don't know if that's enough to be a problem or not. But it's more in the sides here than actual the middle. So right here. It does get warm. Why am I rating an app? Discard. Yeah, maybe because it doesn't stall. That's why I should rate it, right? Camera wise, let's see. He wants to access my location, so let's do just this time for now. You can turn on by default your save locations, and it is a motion photo. So okay, those are good for now. Take a photo. Oh, there was something about an update too. An update's available for camera, so that's nice. That tells you. So I'm updating the camera, see if we get any new features. So there's portrait mode, just like the iPhone. And night sight. Let's see, camera, video, and slow motion time lapse are all there. Lens, photosphere. So they're all pretty much here. Interesting. Preparing update. 0.7. So this is interesting. Instead of the iPhone, which 0.5, the lens, how far back you can go. This one's 0.7. So it's not as much, and now the camera is updating. So we're installing the camera update, and then you cannot use the camera while it's installing update. So very good. I'm gonna test this out. I'll put in a review later for you guys, letting you guys know how it went. But this is the unboxing. I got the color black. I guess I consider this the black. I'm digging this look. I'm a little worried about this camera, so I got to see what kind of cases I have to get for this phone to protect this camera. Because I am a little worried about it. Just because, when you sit on a table somewhere, this is the first thing that's going to touch the surface. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of long. I don't even know how long, but it's pretty long. And talk to you guys later. And take care. Take this off of here. There you go. You guys can see it. All right.